to be recreating this look right here, which is Deepika Padukone's intense Kohl eye makeup.
I've already done my foundation and concealer off camera. To start with the eyes, I'm taking a medium brown eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid. Now, I'm taking a blending brush and applying a dark brown eyeshadow only to the outer corner of my eyes. Taking a kajal pencil and applying it like an eyeliner, and then using a smudger brush to smoke it out. Now I'm taking an angular brush with some kajal on it and drawing a wing. Taking another angular brush with absolutely no product on it, only to help me smoke the wing out. Applying a lot of kajal to my lower and upper waterline. Now taking some kajal on a smudger brush and smoking it out on the lower lash line. Taking an angular brush and connecting the wing to the smoked out lower lash line to make it look like one and to make it look like a complete eyeshadow. Now at this step, you can adjust the smokiness of the kajal. You can intensify it if you want to. I'll be applying some blush and some highlighter. Now I'm taking a nude brown lipstick and applying it all over my lips. Curling my lashes and applying some mascara, and I will be doing falsies off camera. That's it. That's the look. I hope you guys liked it.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Bye!